Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be setting up our disc sticker album. Alright, so let's get started. You can see I have tons of stickers to fill this guy with. So if you're not familiar with our disc sticker album, it comes as a bundle. It includes a clear front and back cover. It also comes with a zipper pouch, and I include a stickers vinyl in every bundle. That way you can put it on the front of your sticker album, or you can hoard it like I do a lot of our stickers. It also comes with sticker labels. So there are tons of labels here that you can put on your dividers. Now this one comes with 6 dividers. You can also buy the dividers separately in the shop if you want to add more, like I am going to do. And then it comes with 20 of release paper, so you can put your stickers on here and remove them easily. Now I also have an extra stack of release paper as well. I don't know if I'm going to need them all since 20 is a lot. I have them just in case. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by putting down the sticker labels on the dividers first. That way I have it all set up and ready to go. I'm not going to use all of the labels. You can see there are tons of choices to choose from. I'm just putting down the ones that I know I have stickers for. This way I can just pull the stickers from the stack here and just flip to this section easily. I'm also adding a couple more sets of dividers because I have several more sections I want to add. That's what's really nice about our disc album. It comes with 1.5-inch discs, which are huge, so this can hold a ton of stickers and dividers. So you can see I still have lots of labels left here. I'm going to hold on to them just in case I want to add more sections later. But for now, let's go ahead and get started. So excited. Doesn't it look really cool? Just with the dividers and the labels on. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to start filling this guy up. I'll go over all of my sections. I know you can't see them all closely for now, but each section I'll go over later. Now I'm going to pull some of the sticker paper because what I'm going to do, instead of going to each individual section and sorting all of these stickers from the stack, I'm just going to pull from the top of the stack and then flip to each section as I go. So I'm starting out with my organized stickers. I think it's the perfect sheet to start out with since, of course, I'm organizing my sticker album. So I put this in my hobby section, though I debated putting it in several different sections like my work section or activities. But what's nice about this sticker album, you can pull up all of the release paper and then just put it in the section you want later if you change your mind. I'm adding more release paper, but I wanted to show you guys a little trick, especially if you're going to add stickers to the release paper. Pull up the whole sticker sheet. Oh my gosh, guys, this makes putting down all of the stickers just so much easier. You don't have to deal with maybe the stickers sticking on the sticker sheets. Also, what's really cool about most of our sticker sheets is you can punch them and put them in the sticker album, and that will save you a ton of time. It's also super useful if you are undecided on what section to put your stickers in. I'm putting down some Bonbon Laundry stickers. This is our shop character. I decided not to put them all together under characters and to put them in the section that they're doing the activity. So that one went into chores. Now moving on, these are our brush stroke stickers. So I put these in the functional section. Most of the functional stickers are going to be labels that I can write on. Now I'm putting down the bill due stickers, and these are actually going in my finance section, along with our money bonbon stickers. So her throwing money in the air, so super cute. Next is our plant stickers. This one is black and white and it is on clear sticker paper, but it also pulls up super easily as well. I'm putting this one in my home section. I could also put it in icons or chores as well. I'd love to know down below some of the sections that you guys use for your sticker albums, because I always love to hear what you guys need and want. So if I don't have a section, I'll write it down and start a list for maybe a new volume 2 sticker sheet. So definitely let me know down below some of the sections that aren't included on our sticker sheet. And also I want to know, what is the one section in your sticker album or your sticker system that you guys have the most stickers of? I think that mine is probably, I don't know, I'm tossing up between my script stickers and my functional stickers. I have so many script stickers that I'm actually punching most of the sticker sheets and putting them in this way. That way I don't have to add them all individually, and I actually go through my script stickers so fast. So you can see I have tons of them. I just put down a couple of each of them so far, but I punched most of those stickers. I also have a ton of icon stickers as well. So I'm putting down most of the colorful stickers. I also have neutral and black and whites with our icon stickers, but you know, I'm a big colorful fan, so I usually stick with that. Sometimes I do the neutral and black and whites. It really just depends on the layout that I have for the week. But I'm leaving tons of room to add stickers, so if I need to go back, I have room to do that. And also in this stack of stickers, there's probably still more icons hiding in there. So I'm moving on to my holiday stickers. I had some Halloween stickers. I also have some Christmas countdown stickers. I'm actually putting the countdown stickers in its own section. I also have Thanksgiving countdown stickers. I plan on making some vacation countdown stickers. And if you guys have any requests for countdown stickers, let me know down below. So I'm just finishing off with the countdown stickers. I did have 2 different Christmas countdown stickers, which is fine. I use them in several different planners. I also have my moon phases. Now guys, where do you put moon phases? It's not like I have a whole section called moon, although I probably should. I have tons of moon stickers. So I decided for now just to punch it. That way I can move it around, and I'm going to put it in my weather section. What would you guys do? Weather, decorative? Maybe I should do a moon section, but let me know down below. Would you put it in weather or decorative for what I have here? So moving on to my TV and movie section, I have my retro TVs and then also our colorful TVs. And then I also have some retro cameras. I'm actually going to put this in my social media stickers. I use these cameras a lot for Instagram and for TikTok, which by the way, I am on almost every single day. So if you guys do not see me here on YouTube, definitely follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I do much shorter videos over there, where YouTube, they are a lot longer. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer these longer videos with me chatting, or small short videos with more music? Because YouTube does have the short video form now, and I haven't really gotten into that yet, but if you guys are interested, maybe I can do a couple short videos for you when I am super busy and I don't have a video for the week. Now, I have been really trying to put up YouTube videos every Sunday for you guys. It is not perfect, but I am getting back into doing videos more often. I have missed you guys so much. I am making time to put that into my schedule and film weekly for you guys because I love you guys and I have really missed chatting with you if you cannot tell. So I'm putting down all of my date covers down now. You can see I have tons of them. So these are actually date headers, so weekly and monthly days. I also have numbers that I'm putting in here as well, but I have many more number stickers than I have the date headers. So I'm going to actually punch those along with our smaller date headers as well. That way I am not sitting here for another hour or two just putting down the number stickers. So this is a look at all of my date headers. Now moving on to my book section. So I created a whole section for books because I am a huge book fan. I have tons of book stickers and audio book stickers. And then I also have some more decorative bows and weather stickers. I actually have tons of weather stickers. This one is just our combination sheet. You can also get these sheets individually. So like if it doesn't snow where you're from, like in California, or actually they have been getting snow lately, actually more snow than I have been getting out on the East Coast. So crazy, right? Let me know if you guys have been getting super crazy weather. So you can see I am putting down our Mahjong stickers. Yes, I am a fan of Mahjong. I love it. I actually love most games. I'm a big fan of board games. I also love music and listen to it while I'm cutting stickers. And now I'm putting down some doctor appointment stickers, some car stickers. That's in my travel section, along with airplane stickers. I also have a section dedicated for birthday stickers because I have so many birthday stickers as well, as you can see. So the labels, I also have these cake ones, balloons, and presents. And these are also available in neutral and black and white. But like I said, I love my colorful stickers. And then guys, look at this stack left. So these are actually all of my functional stickers. So I am going to put them all in there. Now, most of them I am going to punch, but some of these sheets I actually can't punch. So the smaller sticker sheets like I have for the Hobonichi Weeks Planner, I'm not able to punch. So I have my bow labels, also these gorgeous scallop stickers. These are our bubble boxes. Now these are Hobonichi like small stickers. Same with these small boxes, but I use them in every single planner that I have had. I just have them on the longer sticker sheet that fits inside of our sleeve albums for the Hobonichi, which we are actually almost out of. So there's only a couple of the Hobonichi sticker albums left. Now, I don't know if you have noticed, but I don't have any of my weekly sticker kits in here or our monthly sticker kits. I keep all of those stickers in our sleeve album, so the jumbo style sticker album. And then most of our freebie stickers I also keep in the smaller freebie like sampler sticker album. And in here, I'm just keeping all of our single sticker sheets in here. So these are not all of the stickers that I have available in the shop. There are a ton more, but for now, I think I am done with all of the stickers. Oh my gosh, guys, right? That's a lot of stickers. I do have a couple stickers up top, but guys, I want to show you, oh my gosh, look at the album with it all together. What? My gosh, I am so in love. It's going to be so easy to grab all of my stickers now. I am so excited. Look at this little chunky monkey. Oh my gosh, all of the sticker pages all filled up inside. Yay! And then I have some vinyl stickers that I have up top. And I think I'm going to put this one right in the middle here. The last sticker album, I put it off to the side, but I think, yeah, just right in the middle. And oh my gosh, look how cute the hummingbirds look in the background there. So I also pulled a couple of our vinyl stickers. Now, I don't know what I want to do with these. I was thinking of putting them on the top cover here, where they actually look kind of cute, like peekabooing outside on top of the pouch, but I just cannot commit. So I'm going to put them in the sticker pouch for now. I also grabbed some of my heart decals as well. I like to use these throughout my planner, so I want to have them ready to go. And then I also grabbed our current freebie stickers. Now, you put most of the freebies and samplers in our mini sticker albums, but I wanted to make sure that I use these up, so that way I grab these guys first. So that is a look at the sticker album. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!